Molarity is moles of solute per liter of solution. Here, your defining equation is N over V, or N is moles, V is solute, V is volume of solution. Then you can rearrange this equation to solve for N, multiply both sides by V, and then so you can say that molarity times volume will just give you the number of moles of solute. So this is the key for us to be able to count solute particles that are present in solution. You just multiply the molarity by the volume of the solution. Okay, so if your molarity is moles per liter, you multiply by the volume in liters, that would give you moles of solute. If you imagine your molarity as millimoles per milliliter, you multiply that by the volume in milliliters, that will give you the millimoles of solute present in your solution. So let's look at an example. How much sodium carbonate is in a 20 milliliter sample of 0.200 molar sodium carbonate? So if we want, you're given the volume and you're given the moles here, so the information, molarity over here, and so you have information to solve for the number of moles. Moles is molarity times volume. So molarity is 0.200 moles per liter, and our volume is 20.0 times 10 to the negative 3 liters. Note that milli means 10 to the negative 3, so milliliter is times 10 to the negative 3 liters. Okay? So if you solve for this, you would say that's going to be 0.2 times 20. That's 4. Okay, 3 sig figs. 4.00 times 10 to the negative 3 liter cancels out here, moles. Okay, or you can say that's 4.00 millimoles if you want to put it in millimoles. So molarity times milliliters gives you millimoles. Molarity times liters gives you moles.